Sari kaham joto rangsakni takuk bukuk song kha kaham okra chakra rok tai joto sini fayung songrok manai songrok dara songrok joto nono ani torof theke hamjakma tai norok joto nono jobani chibai yafaro kodokma salni pore haino hai Facebook live tini kisa kogrok share khain hni faikya tai o Facebook live ni bising tei ani 4 eba 5 ta points hai tongo discuss khlaijak nai bono tino discuss khainen bagi tini ang ma faikya haisi puila point hengke thanai few days kangnor nukhona Tripura government job judi recruitment buskani salo ungnani thangai tongo around 552 posts nukha aron bising 310 post 310 ta post gangkai Tripura engineering service nobo naharjaknai through TPSC ni bising tei as per the report jesung nukmani aro tamos hajakka tabuk je kuno Tripura rajyo jodi government job ni bage apply khainani hinkai there is no mandatory of any PRTC permanent residence of Tripura certificate nangya nije sajakmani o kokno tiyang sanani bage tini norok joto bani ma krengkha apart from this the BC election asuk kuduk mas hal romoi pending ngi tongo bono tui tripartite accord no tui kabangma borok ano sunghoro kok duk ni bising tui message kai sunghoro bono tui bo sanani bagai tai Tripura sa je Tripura ni jingjal romdi abo nandanagar ni issues romdi abo unemployment issues romdi takni Gen Z stock ni issues kabangma je tongmani bono tui no tini thaisa thaini norbo salainani bagai angma phaikya haisi hambai maro jotono je nai tongnani Facebook live especially ang nugui mangkha takuk Poritus takuk Asis takuk Birbal hai Thanjavlin hambai hello Tolomoni norok jotono na haino hai ani Facebook live ni bisingti lamsogo norok saimono as per the report 2025 assembly o kokti sajakha tai assembly o kokti sajakma pore Tripura employment service and manpower planning minister ni hoite January ni 2025 o kaisa report rajakha a report ni mote 3,36,551 I repeat the number 3,36,551 registered unemployment sini Tripura rajyo o tongoi tongo as per the census report of 2011 37 lakhs approx population sini o haste o tongo haise as per prediction about almost the assume khaina kenga 2026 o 50 lakhs 50 lakh approximately tabuk Tripura rajyo population strong haisi unemployment ang thasing saka 2025 ni the report ni mote Tripura employment service and manpower planning minister ni hoite je jobab rajakmani aro saimangkha 3,36,551 3,36,551 obo Tripura rajyo was asak unemployment tabuk tongoi tongo thousands and thousands borok Shillong high jagao thani Meghalaya high state rogo restaurant rogo samung khai tongoyo graduating jagro engineering completing jagro BCom completing jagro master degree completing jagro gari driver ngi tongoyo a jagro go restaurant rogo samung khayo hotel rogo samung khayo obo hai rok ngui tonguyo Chennai rogo samung khai tonguyo Mumbai rogo samung khai tonguyo Delhi rogo samung khai tonguyo Bangalore rogo samung khai tonguyo Pune rogo samung khai tonguyo tangai unemployment rate eba unemployment balai blaike songkao kobang mani bagai tini Tripura Rajyoni je sini youth rock Tripura Rajyoni je generations rock kubuni hasteo thangai borokni livelihood jibono thangai tongnani bagai eba nukhung rock no support khainani bagai kubuni haste rogo thangai borok samung rock thaima tongoyu tini aboni pore unemployment ang saka 3,36,551 as per the report of 2025 ni January wo kintu tabuk unemployment rate unemployment je registered injak rokto to sung job no riman ya Tripura government hoite borong sota manukjak kha taibo se permanent residence of Tripura certificate je PRTC পর্যন্ত se mandatory inglia tabuk hungkai Tripura Rajyo government ni job khlainani hingkangke how shocking it is how painful it is painful for every citizens of Tripura it is painful for every Gen Z who are all suffering due to this unemployment rate tini borok no sung job rana nile dure thakse kintu permanent residence of Tripura certificate পর্যন্ত se mandatory inglia any person from any of the state can come in our state and apply for government job but whereas it was not like this previously as per the notifications of 2023 kanke it is compulsory that PRTC must submit for applying the government job tabu government abono tam kha bekhar kha 5 consecutive years about 5 years ori Tripura Rajyo education by connecting kai o jaga porikhan kai a borok Tripura Rajyo boro government job ni bage apply khaimanu Maharashtra ni borok khaiman sinai Punjab ni borok khaiman sinai Bihar ni borok khaiman sinai even Bangladesh ni borok phanose phai borok kabang ma phai no tongo borok suru se khaisine haisi engkai sini youths rok ni bobishot tamung nai sini generations ni borok ni bobishot tamung nai thinang tamung nai haino se Tripura Rajyo ni sai tebo facility kaham education khaye quality education manjak kubuni state ni borok IAS officers rok kabang ma angjak IPS officers kabang ma angjak abo hai state rok ni the well infrastructure angjak education policy ekdom best angjak aro rok ni the borok jodi Tripura hai rajyo phaiye competitions no exam rekhangkai Tripura Rajyo ni je scoop Tripura Rajyo ni je youth rok borok onek tabuk ni o je government ni je niti tubma bai nuksan sinai problem sinai haisi over high the decision no I personally condemn over no strongly uncondemn khayu because 980 government or the policy namani government or the intentionally the decision namani what could be a reason behind tamung iman why government is so interested to make non-requirement of PRTC in the government job why government is so interested kumuni haseni borok sino rajyo permanent residence hara boro apply khainani tangi government of asik interesting jak nichoi government ni o the intention musung jak mani o the policy namani ukulgo kabangma rohishyo tongimano a rohishyo tamo tangi kubuni state ni borok sino o jaga wa haino se je jaga ang saka 3,36,551 unemployed registered jak bongni jibon tamung nai Kabang mo borok nukungo borok support kaimani ang itongo because of this unemployment growth. Tinisin or big company kre MNC company kre kotor company kre haisi boro thani boro Bangalore hai jagao thangi tongi Chennai hai jagao Mumbai hai jagao Delhi hai jagao Shillong hai jagao borok bongni nok be haksal kai tini samung kaima tongiyu ngo overok no tuye sung strongly condemn kayu and I request humbly ang request kainani musungo it is not only matters of particularly buishajao tipramothani MDCs kok sauba tipramothani favor nanabai kok sau no not at all Tripura Rajya wo je 3,37,551 registered unemployment borok no chakiri rimanya kai abo suduki tipramothani nuksan simidang no CPIM khai tonai je aroka unemployment khobje geda BJP khai tonai khobje geda Congress khai tonai khobje geda IPFT khai ne khobje geda Trinamool Congress khai tonai khobje geda so obonot tyi sengkok mati sane haisi most of the time what do we see in our state over high issues concerning to our citizens of state ingphano se many of the political party choose to keep silent just because bongni political the agenda ni bagai borok tini silent tongoi tong but over high judi continue ungi thaka ke Tripura Rajya wo haino se problem ungi tong ekdige Citizenship Amendment Act 2024 jora phai sokpa kya 31st December Bangladesh Pakistan Afghanistan ni borok no welcome khaye nizini India ni borok no khai nizini state ni borok no khai tini sung taibo influx ng borok tu mang microscopic minority sung mang Tripura hai chikon sa rajya wo se tini 50 lakh hai population singi thangka look at Mizoram 21,000 square kilometers double size of our state but what is the population of their state only 1.1 millions see Sini Arunachal Pradesh Busak Zorati Kotor 8 times bigger than our states populations Busak hardly 15 to 16 lakhs high population see 3 times Sinisa less populations but the state is 8 times bigger than our state Nagaland 17,000 16,000 something 500 something square kilometers population 16 17 18 lakhs 3 time high Sinisa almost come 2.5 high so what will be the futures of our young generations I think the young generation should come up and oppose such decisions taken by the government of Tripura Haisi. Though we may be a part of Tripura government, but we also condemn if any decision is taken not for the sake of our people, then always condemn Khayu Haisi. And I think not only Tipramotha political party, not only particular individual person, but it is time for every citizen of Tripura to come up and speak for the rights of our people, I say. Most of people choosing their comfort zone not to speak anything, not to raise their voice, just because they are seeing for the political agenda, political mileage. But over, certainly, Sini Buskang is hollow issues to Bnai Haise. Sunuka recently 552 government job post lang na ninaitong. Aron bisay antasin saka 310 post sanga Tripura engineering the service no botlang na naitong through TPSC. Borok ni tabuk tamung nai. So over high issues rok no sung mati sana haisi. And teba ang sana ni musung nor nukhana. Last time of few days sekang. Tamunuka Agartolani je Nandanagar Don Bosco Buskango MC ni hoite faye haksal ni sini bororok sudus matro sini bororok simiya kubuni dofarok botongo borok tini bongni daily jibono thangai thangnani bagai family no support khainani bagai mokhetung thaiketung kosto khai tini haksal ni phaiye thuya karei bolongo muya phai bolongo tha bolong nutugui bolongo kosto khaiye sibuk sindrai rok bai nini risk nawinai tini asak haksal phai tini mokhetung thaiketung phalai tong borok no pojonto se sak naiya khaitam khlaijaka daga chopa khlaijagai mokhitung rok khitar jaka tanchik jaka jaro khlai tongmani sobai sukrup khlaijaka haisi aboni bagai political parties rok ang nukha BJP rokni hoitebo jonojati morcha ni bo nukha borobo thangai finally kokti saka yes kokti sana nangnai haisi tangai jonojati simi tangai ti promotha simi tangai ko simiti sana ba joto political party ni boro rok mati sana in fact society rok phai kok mati sana haisi justice judi ni manani hingkangke particular individual person ti sama ba simi sing justice mani mania it is all our duty to raise voice when our people are getting injustice haisi sing kok mati sanai tini political mileage manani bagi simi phaike angkai abong ya haisi tai thasingo ang blai blake sini habuba grano proudly I feel really proud of our his highness maharaj haisi just before ang live finally sakangno sini his highness maharaj be angkok saka salaikya maharaj clear kas how alliance will not be there until and unless we achieve for our Tiprasas right ni bosau haisi tini Tiprasa accord ni baga prosto sungjago where is your Tiprasa accord nongni Tiprasa accord biang thangka nongni land rights biang thangka norok ni direct funding biang thangka norok ni political rights biang thangka tini bo sini maharaj fight khai tongu not for him haisi because for our people but tini bo fight khai tongu haisi tamo obab tong bini sanan thakai sajau nai political ni kok sanan nai hune tamo obab tong sir maharaj ni kotor nok tong bini rajbari tong rang tong bini jaga jumi tong bini jotto kisu tong but he is fighting for our people bo fight khai tong haisi tini bo government of Tripura about central leaders rock bono kotor offer haisi he could have become MP he could have become deputy chief minister he could have become anything any position bon naiman kom haisi but he had not taken the post because he always wants our people to get our rights haisi tamo prat khake bobo hai klaimani tamo prat khake tini sing langazino proshno khai questions khayu othoso siniti prasarok mukhteng phalnai rok daga chopa khlaijagai khitar jagai mukhteng sekjagai tongpurkai ekta kok sing saimani haisi sini bororok ni right sekjagai tongpurkai ekta kok sing saimani haisi sini bororok khaklabu guli kokjak tongpurkai ekta kok sing saimani haisi sini bororok students rok lathi charge khaijagai water cannon use khaijagai tear gas use khaijagai butok khaijak tongpurkai ekta kok sing saraya haisi but sini ha bubagra fight khaitong central government bai tini asak kisu offer jakmani porebo he always choose not to go alliance with any of the political party until and unless we achieve our demand haisi clearly saitong blay khulugu saitong haisi tai tamunang over high leaders sak asak sacrifice khaisin bage fight khaitong nai sungke bono madamano tini sung jora haisi dukhu nangu tini sini ha bubagra sini jotoni bage fight khaitong ma bage nations rock tini nasigi sunoma tong haisi our people are leaders from Maharashtra, are leaders from West Bengal, Our leaders from Rajasthan, our leaders from Mumbai, our leaders from many other state ni. Tini sini His Highness Maharaj ni je sacrifice no, Maharaj ni je chobano, tini appreciate khai tongoi tong haisi. Kok ekdom clear haisi. Judino sini dofani bagi rights maya khai, sung kunu dino pano government by interest, sung kunu krei, sung part of government no tongnani haisi. Tini kabang ma borok ang nugu kaisa kusu Facebook tui AI ni bising tui chat GPT ni bising tui ketal poster sanamai Maharashtra blame khaimani sung nugu Maharashtra criticize khaimani sung nugu but je criticize khainai ro je blame khainai ro Bangladesh ya asik lok phai tongo a time over kok de tisaka open boundary khaye riri jago camper bazar tiro a time boro kok de tisaka je jorao khaklabo pojonto nai kok jago siniti prasaro citizenship amendment bill no ka sunani bagai tak citizenship amendment act engka khoroksa as a national party khaitone leaders ro kok de tisaka je jago agartala hai rogo din broad daylight rogo sini bukuk juk songrom fresh hompre khaijago Bon national political party ni boro kokti saka je jago nini sini edisini hano sekjagi tlangjang ni nai tongo nogo panchayat ro khlaijak na nai tongo bon national party ni boro kokti saka je jago sini tiprasa je baniya khai tongne rokno satok pitok khaijago bon national party kokti saka haisi Tini sakangke chaya. Yes, we all are answerable to these questions. Haise sing answer marana haise. Kebo power permanent post ya. 2026 ne April no sung elected inka member of district council. It is not permanent. 5 years di pore sungbo sini opposed kamawi mano, norzagi mano. Judi borok ni bagi sengkok sayangke dofa ni bagi kok sayangke ar sini borok kebang ma jaga thangga para bising roko thangni dukhu nang haisi lama kaham kerei tui sudu se man ning yao thoso sung 80 independence day sung celebrate khai tongo or 2026 ni mia hai salo 15 august o asi the 80 independence sing step khaimani aw sing celebrate khai tongo othosonor nukhana baksa jaga tui kahama ningya school kahama poriya lama kahama himya kabang ma jantaro kok sau tini sini MDC sokno sahor sar lama sanamai redi sar tini ব্যবস্থা khai redi sar suno school kahamri redi bkha yogo haise bkha dhunugo কষ্ট নাঙ্গো হাইছে দুঃখ নাঙ্গো এডিসিনি থানি আপ ফান কসি করে হাইছে 4-5 crore PWD ফাইও 1 হইতে 2 crore এডুকেশন ফাইও আবো বাইসং স্কুল 10টা 15টা 20টা পর্যন্ত রিপেয়ারিং খাইনানি সিনি ফান করে এই যে রাং আছে লিমিটেড ফান বাই অথচ 1633 স্কুল সং তাবুক টিটি এডিসিন বিসিংও তঙ্গই তঙ্গো Black top route sanamnani bagi pojonto sung 5 kilometers pojonto se edisini PWD ni fund by sung sanami mania asak ke sini limited fund haisi busuk jorate yin kongi to lukurok saw haisi sanami redi kintu abo pojonto se sung sanami ri mania aboni bagi no tini additional strengthen khainani bagai 125th amendment ni besing tei sini constitutional solutions na sung sanai tongo our constitutional solution sanmani yak ulobo we are not compromising with our core demand greater Tipraland haisi greater Tipraland শুধু মাত্র 2021 চেংকা 2600 পাইকে aboyablei until and unless we achieve this core demand of greater Tipraland, we are not going to compromise. Fight khai tong haisi. Land rights ni bagi kok sai tong haisi. Roman script ni bai kok sai tong haisi direct funding ni bai kok sai tong political rights ni bai kok sai tong political rights mane judiciary representative 20 ta ST seat ni bisingo 24-25 tang thangkan ke abuki ti promothani simida achievement abuki CPM BJP khanye Congress khanye IPFT khanye ti prasarok ni kai achievement ng lagda land rights judi mani phakyan kai BJP Congress CPM borok ni kai of achievement ng lagda suru matru ti promothani simidang nai but ekta national party ni leaders tangi on land rights no ti kok saya haisi tangi kok saya BJP hai political party world ni biggest party in this sajago and yes abo fact kubui kintu a biggest national political party no representative engi tongnai sini takuk ti prasarok leaders rock montri post khai post hold khai tongnai sini takuk rock why don't you speak for land rights why don't you speak for BC election ni bagai tangi kok saya haisi 587 village tini pojonto election conduct khaijagya our Maharaj, His Highness Maharaj, tini Supreme Court pojonto thangai bini own pocket ni rang khibui tini tiprasani rights ni bagai khaitong 15 lakh tiprasani rights no tumna bagai sini His Highness Maharaj bini pocket ni rang khibitong national party ni borok appreciate da khai okok no CPM ni borok appreciate da khai BJP ni borok appreciate da khai Congress ni borok appreciate da khai borongso sungo bikonong ni rights are je borok rights hanai bonoda nung prosto khainai je borok runai riyangi tongnai bonoda nung prosto khainai ha je sanai noda sung prosto khainai nakai je borok ruwi man tongui riyang tongnai bonoda prosto khainai oborok tini sanani dorkar salainani dorkar haisi BJP khaitu CPM khaitu Congress khaitu kubuni dofaro kintu amtiya angagibo saw haisi 2012 bo jepru 150th anniversary Rabindranath Tagore Singarville airport no bini bumungui khlaisina hine jepru leader of opposition leader the opposition leader kok sawo Congress ni CPM ni joto leaders rok abono somorthon khaye yes Rabindranath Tagore ni bumungui no airport mangnai hini kokti salai we respect Rabindranath Tagore Bishwa Kavi we respect we have a huge respect in our heart but this land oh ha o sini asai haiman ha o sini om thai thai klaimani ha 5000 বছর sakangni sini 184 king tabu baike 186 sini maharaj baike chalok jagi phayo I hani bumung sini raja rokni bung bai kerengja ekmatro khoroksa borok simi kiriyakarei sini tabukni tipra mothani president sir Bijoy Kumar Rankal sini pu bike Rankal sir tini a taimo basawi kok sawo obo operat engnai judino Singarville airport ni bumung no Rabindranath Tagore Kavi Rabindranath Tagore ni bumung khaijangke o ha Maharaj ni bumung ma khaine nei tini 60 ta Bidhan Sabha Kendro ni 60 জন MLA ni bising 20 জন ST MLA ni bisingo ekmatro khoroksa MLA sar Bijoy Rankal kokti sawo tini sawo Maharaj Bir Bikram airport sung thangai Maharaj Bir Bikram ni asaima sal rong kai sung thangi khumalariu but when it was needed no one has raised their voice except sini sar Bike Rankal sar haisi therefore NIT ni issue sungui tongo 7% agi reservations a time of sab koktisa ei sini sar Bike Rankal songno ei sini ancholic minded borok rok no regional mindset borok rok no tisau national party ro okokro ti saya haisi nge tini kebang ma jaga issue sumi tongo are political post is not permanent tamo permanent kai sini jati sini dopa sini sinimung obse permanent judi o dopa o sinimung o niri yakung tolani hase kri khenke bo jaga o basawi nang politics ni kok sanai bo jaga o basawi nang dofa ni vote san paine haisi sungobono ti one suknani batang haisi Maharaj no sung prashno sung tai tam khaisine Maharaj tai tam khaisine haisi tai boda fan rak riman laino nei one northeast khai leadership now porjonto jotto northeast ni leader sokno porjonto thansa khai ek khai phorang tisar khaisi আর northeast ni leader sokno thansa khai ei Tripura rajyo no puila first time astable ground no 1 lakh plus above borok rokno tuyi ha khorang tisar oi message roka amda chaya khai kya Delhi wo thangai central ni leaders rok bai sini rights mania ka sing alliance sing ya nei bkhawo krak khai kokti sawi tini saikya khorok busu khambai rekha borongso biko ni sungu judi bo afro compromise khaiye phaipe khangke sada sa khumu compromise khai judi bo ya kari phake sada sa khumu tini kubuni dofaro kubuni leadership ro judi one sugung ka one jaung ka ekmatro sini his highness maharaj toma bagi simise sini tiprasani borom tini asuk jorati kusugo kaitong haisi asuk jorati kusugo kaitong haisi baksa sau kubuni political party khaine ro tipramotha titi edisiwo hapango phaimani 2021 ni simi tini 2026 ka almost hoi bosor completing ni naike tamu khaikya ni prashno sumu haisi are ang thajing sakable baba Tripura rajyo 10,492 square kilometer simishing 7,132.56 square kilometer edisio a 7,132.56 square kilometer sto matro busuk budget hai 2 hoike 3% budget state ni sopayu সম্ভব দা বাজেট বে সামুং তাংনানি নাইনে সিরি আং সাকাবলে ব্ল্যাক টপ রুট সামনানি বাকি পর্যন্ত সে 5 হইতে 10 কিলোমিটার সিং সানামাইয়া এই এডিসি নি রাং পিডব্লিউডি নি ডিপার্টমেন্ট বাই স্কুল কাইসে কতর 100 জন ক্যাপাসিটি গনং স্কুল পর্যন্ত সে সিং সানামি মাইয়া এই এডুকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট নি এডিসি নি রাং বাই health department ni rang bai hospital kaise porjonto tangna ni sini rang krei ani constituency ramchandrogarh thanggang gang dukhunang harep kwar is ni andaro thanggang ke kabama school repairing nangi tongu students rok sakao kisik misik bupurjani wall klai tamung no othoso sung repair khaine ni porjonto rang krei DM bai thangi malayo minister bai thangi malayo video ni thani sing ruo last digi tamo no fun agi manrega ni bisikti samu khaisego ta bbg ramji inka bbg ramji ni still fun tabo phadiya ko bai ke klangi sing but yes you all have chosen our people nor mandate ruoi huge mandate ruoi to promote a political party no power to edisio yes we are committed to raise all our voice for the sake of our people I see maybe abo street on anga sing street o khorang ti sanai soroga asugui kok sana nang kok sanai assembly o kok sana nang kok ti sanai council o kok ti sana nang sing kok ti sanai media o kok ti sana nang kok ti sanai social media ni platform o kok ti sana nang kok ti sanai yes we are committed to raise our voice I see norok nungna je kuno issues khangkai je kuno problem khangkai tui krei lama krei bukuk juk song rompre sompre khaijakai pori tongnai rok injustice ng tongkhangkai sini Gen Zero problem ng tongkhangkai it is our Maharashni je sengkrang rok always no buskang phai sing hesitating ya kare kiriya kare sing no khorang ti sapayo haisi sing no phai ti sapayo haisi nor nukhana agor tolo broad daylight ogorom preza ka sing thangai kok ti sao nor nukhana damsara digi sini harok seksa tong sing thangai kok ti sao nor nukhana Bangladesh si rok bai ha seksa ki tong sini India ni 0.3 arabo sing no kok ti sao haisi nor nukhana Citizenship Amendment Bill Citizenship Amendment Act engka sing no kok ti sao haisi nor nukhana je pro Bangladesh ni je High Commissions ni office rogo embassy rogo aro je minorities rogo to jar khaise kanga sing no kok ti sao haisi nor nukhana sini bania khai tongnai rok dukan rogo judi satok pitok khaise tonghanga sing no kok ti sao haisi but sing Maharashni sengkrak simi kok ti sao oi judi jotto borok thansake phagyang kangke taibo se singno injustice khaina sakang mawan sukumo khaira gala khumo nai di kintu tamo jotto no শুধু মাত্র ব্লেম গেম খাইয়ে কাইসাতে কাইসা সিল চালাইয়ে जों tongnan simise जों choose খাইও হাইছি তিনি সেন্ট্রাল লিডার্স বাই তিনি মহারাজ ডিসকাস খাইতং রাইটস রিয়াসাই जों কোনো ডিসকাস খাইয়া সিপিএম নি কত কত লিডার্স অবনতি এপ্রিশিয়েট খাইমান কমু মহারাজ বাই ফাইমালাই মান কমু তাইবো স্ট্র্যাটেজি সানামান কমু বিজেপি নি জনজাতি ni leaders of high strategy sanamang komo thansa khai kok salemang komo are sing political party khayuni line rigir like sing dari o line ni baire o nung motha o line ni phataro nung BJP o tegise line ni phataro nung CPM kaise te kaise sing malai simalai liya haisi line reza o line no sukrugoi o line no huoi dop hani bagai hani bagai jati ni bagai thansangi kokti sakangke na motha nango na CPM nango na BJP nango na Congress nango kono political party na nyawunyo sini dofani bagi sini hani bagi sini jati ni bagi kokti sai sungra sini manthai soktai no tubi manu haisi kintu na Melarmat ano permission riya BJP headquarters ano permission riya Congress headquarters ano permission riya ani dopa khaklabo la thirzagi tongu ani mokol ni buskango ani asaimani om thai thik klaimani ha sekjagi tongu ani mokol buskango ani bukuk juk song rompre sompre khajak tongu ani mokol buskango ani sirngnai jukro injustice khaijak tongu aboni bagi kok sanani buda ang headquarter ni permission nang sinai aboni bagi sanani bagi bojonto dang party ni permission nang sinai aboni bagi sanani bagi pojonto dang leaders rok ni permission nang sinai jodi permission sin nang hongkangke abo hai party no khaya tongkhoi no chaw haisi abo hai organization no tongya wino chaw haisi jodi nijini right ni bagi nijini dofani bagi nijini hani bagi nijini jatin bagi nijini sinimung ni bagi kok suru si saimali angkai abo hai organization sin khaya tongkhoi no chawo dine dine sini populations komitong young generations of tini faitong haisi awoni bagai sung mawan sukte haisi hoito ang samani tini baksa borok chaja gala baksa borok gali gulas runai unknown identify face by account rok Facebook phai gali gulas runai kintu jesek pano naslidi jesmano jolidi sung Maharashni sengkrang rok habubagrani sengkrang rok sini jati ni bagi dofani bagi kok sanani bagi sung choose khaijaka sungle sanai haisi sung sanai sung kiriakari sanai sung fight khaine sung choba khainai and nangkhangke sung always to fight ki choba khaine haisi खाइनो तंगो ताबो खाइथाने हाइसि सिनो ओ थानसानि मारिनो सबाइनानि बगे बसक जरतै प्रोपागेंडा चलि उइतं Busuk zorati conspiracy choli tong. Busuk zorati strategy choli ui tong. Sini o thansani mari no subaina ni bagi. But ha bubagra ni tuijul ma bai tini bo krak khai tong haisi. BJP eba central leaders rock by ba whoever in power borok by judi sengkok sanani thangkan ke sini his highness Maharashtra seng bekha tangino poito khai saimano haisi. Yes, leader nung ang compromise jorawo ungi manu, but his highness Maharaj will never compromise for his people haisi. And singab nugui betong haisi. Sabo asuk ball leaders asuk sahos kai sarakne tong media of haise no, will not compromise if our people are not achieving our rights. Nis how itong haisi. Central government by cox hamani porebo over hake judi sai tong manungkai all leaders ni logi sung tongnai joto tiprasa tongnai and sung salsa jes kapon manne haisi. Tini hoito sini rights rokro ignore khlaijagi tong haisi. Sini rights rokro sungno sekjagi tong haisi. But these rights will come one day haisi. And all rights ni bagai sung joto no na humble request khayo haisi. Joto boro rok joto party ni leaders rok party no wise side toni way jati ni bagi fight khebe di haisi. Blai kya hambai haino hai norok joto no haino hayani hamjak mantai chiba ya fore hor kaham tipra sayuk lok thung sini dabi dakti no manthu sini tipra saro taibo buskani salo thansani mario phaibetu sini tipra saro taibo buskani salo CPM Congress BJP motha IPF ti hinyawoi thansang baitu haisi hambai.